Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 GMC Acadia SLE, stock number X115XX. Only 45,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Dark sapphire blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a cloth interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat. Fold flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SLE has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 45,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6-liter V6, 281 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.